This video I will show you guys step by step how to promote affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you new advanced methods that you guys should start using if you want to start making some commissions just by using Facebook Marketplace. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you because I will share with you step by step new methods, new strategies that you should use to start making some commissions like this. And just last month I made $17,125 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic, and it's already paid. This commission was already paid. This is my invoice. As you can see over here, it's paid $17,125 using free traffic, guys, just in one single month. Okay, so anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing and start promoting affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace, you guys need to create an affiliate account first, like this one. Okay, so here is what you will do. You just need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you guys can start as beginners. Anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and you can choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, what you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you will promote on Facebook Marketplace to people who will be interested to buy those services from you. So pay close attention. Here is what you will do next. You will go back to your home page. Go back to your home page on Fiverr like this and click on the search and search for real estate leads. Okay, search for this service. Pay close attention. So always choose good sellers. You need to choose good sellers that you will use as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. So how you can choose good sellers? Just choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. Like this one, for example, level 2 seller, a lot of reviews. This one, level 2 seller, level 1 seller, and top rated sellers, also like those sellers here, Fiverr choice. This one has a lot of reviews. So why you need to choose good sellers? Because those people who will check your affiliate links, they will get directly to those sellers profiles and they will check the reviews and the feedback of those sellers. They will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, those people will buy this service and you will earn commission. So I'm gonna choose, for example, like this one. You guys can see this one. This one has over 500 reviews, which is really good. So I will choose this one. I will click on his service. Just click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see over 1,000 orders completed. This seller has sold over 1,000 service about real estate leads. Okay, so it's already working. So here is what you will do. You will copy the link of this seller profile. You will copy the profile link of this seller and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools. You have reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on deep link. Put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook Marketplace to people who will be interested to buy this service from you. So what you will do next, you just need to go back to your Facebook homepage. Open your Facebook homepage like this. You guys have Facebook account, so just open your Facebook account, click over here on Marketplace. So what you need to do next, just click here on the search Marketplace, click here and search for real estate for sale, okay? And here you go. You will find a lot of real estate for sale here in New York. I'm targeting New York City. Okay, you guys can see we have New York, Jamaica, we have a lot of countries from United States. Okay, so what you will do next, so just pick one of those who want to sell their real estate. So those people will be interested to buy this service. Okay, this seller on Fiverr will help people to get sales for their real estate. Okay, you guys can see I will offer real estate cold calling, real estate leads, and skip tracing. Okay, so this seller can help people to get sales and sell their real estate. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna choose this one. I will click on this one here. This one want to sell this. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on message, and they will send a professional and friendly message to this person about this service. So how you can create good and professional message? So you can guys use AI, use ChatGPT. Go to Google, search for ChatGPT and ask him create, let me show you, ask him create a professional message, okay, that I can send to people on, okay, on Facebook Marketplace who selling real estate, okay, to buy my real estate leads service. Okay, and here you go. Let's see. And here you go. You guys can see this ChatGPT will create a good and friendly professional message that you guys can use. Okay, I noticed you are a real estate listing on Facebook Marketplace, and I wanted to reach out with an opportunity that could help you close more deals faster. I offer specialized real estate lead service that can connect you with highly qualified buyers. It's a professional and good message, you can see. So copy this message, just copy this message, okay? And what you will do next, you will go back to Facebook and you will send this message to this person, okay? Like this. And here you go. You can see we have a good and professional message here, okay? Would you be open to a quick chat about how I can help you get more offers on your property? Let me know. I'll send over all details. Okay, I will add here, and here is my website, and here is my website. Okay, what I will do next, I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, guys. So for you, if you just started this business and you have new accounts, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. I'm gonna use Bitly. You guys can use this website if you want to make your affiliate links short links. It's for free. Just go to Google, search for Bitly. You can sign up using your email address. This will be your homepage. Click on create new link and just put your affiliate link here. Let me show you like this. Click on create your link, and here you go. This is your affiliate link. I will copy this link. I will go back to Facebook and I will put this affiliate link here. So we will help those people to get more sales for their real estate uh, that they want to sell. Okay, this is good message. Click on send message, and here you go. Your message will be sent to this person who want to sell his real estate. You guys can see with your affiliate link here, which is good. And here you go. You can see that's how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace. Use this method. Target United States, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom, and Germany. Start promoting those services to help those people to get more sales for their real estate with this service on Fiverr. You have a lot of services, of course. If you go back, you have a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. You guys can see. Choose good sellers who has good experience, who really can do this service good. Okay, so you can make commissions. Okay, also you guys can use this those pro sellers. Those pro sellers are also good sellers. You have, I will find function leads for real estate investors, and this one also is good, top rated seller. And you have a lot. This is exactly how you can promote your affiliate links on Facebook Marketplace. You see, this is our affiliate link. So if this person is interested to get to sell this real estate faster, and of course he will be interested, he will get back to you. And if he click over here on your affiliate link, he will be directly in this seller profile page. Click on continue, request order, buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. So it's win-win. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, in my video description. For people who want to get more details and take this business seriously, you are welcome. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.